Okay, I'm going to use the ceramic egg cooker tonight. And I'm going to use eggs, so I'm going to pour them into here, or crack them up into here first, and then put them into the egg cooker so that they don't have any eggshells. There's one. Now the directions say that for 2 large eggs, you put it into your microwave for 1 minute, and then add any like 10-second intervals if you need to cook it for longer. So there's that. And you can add a little bit of milk or water, 1 tablespoon for each egg. I don't really like to measure that out, so I'll just add a little bit of milk for us. There we go. And scramble them up. All right, put that there. Lid, put that on right there. And it's gonna go in the microwave for a minute. Now, while that's cooking, I will let you know that you can make other than scrambled eggs. It is on the little sheet. You can do poached eggs, and it gives you the instructions on how to do that. You can do over easy eggs, and it tells you again how to do that. You can do oatmeal. You can do single serve cakes. You can do single serve muffins, and I've got some recipes for that if you're interested. You can make, I think I said oatmeal, but I'm assuming you could probably make malted meal or cream of wheat or something like that as well. Just kind of trial and error on those, since it doesn't specifically say how to do that. But you can also soften butter and cream cheese for 30-second intervals and then bring it out. It's got a little silicone ring around the outside, so you can hold on to that and it's not going to burn your hands, which is awesome. Oh. All right. Check this out a little bit. I'll wipe off my fork so it's not gooey. All right. Bring you down here so you can see what I see. It is still a little runny, so we're going to go at 10-second intervals to see if we can get that to cook up. It did say it was for a 1200 watt microwave, and I don't know what ours is. It's probably only an 1100 or something. Alright, I'm going to let that finish out the last 7 seconds. And then it's supposed to leave it in there for 1 minute so that it can continue cooking. And then bring it out, set it on your counter for 1 more minute, and then take the lid off, which seems a little silly at the moment because I have to take the lid off in order to see if it's done, but that's okay. So, let that sit for a minute, and then I will show you what it looks like. Now the silicone is a little bit warm, but it's not hot. So I can still easily take it out of the microwave. It's not a problem. But other than that, if you guys have any questions, just write them down below and I will do my best to answer them. Again, if you want the recipes, let me know and I can send those to you. I know it hasn't been a minute, but I want to show you. So, scrambled eggs.
Fluffy scrambled eggs.
And fluffy, yes. I'm all about the fluffy scrambled eggs. I do not like hard, crunchy, overcooked eggs. So, scrambled eggs. And I've never really been a microwave egg person either. But those look good. Excellent.